Hi friends, this is Yoga with Marycarmen, that is my name, and in this video I want to show you this pose called Ardha Uttanasana or halfway lift. It is a pose that helps us a lot with transitions that take us from poses from standing to the floor and vice versa. So hop on that mat and let's begin. Okay, so this pose begins from a mountain position. Go ahead and separate the legs about the same width as the hips. Hands to the side, arms to the side. Relax the shoulders and feeling your spine tall. Now from here, I recommend to go into this pose to just go ahead and place the hands on the waist to begin with. Plug in those thumbs if you want to the back of your hip just to remind you that you need to just tuck the pelvis under. And then from here, you inhale, lengthen through the spine. I like to lift my toes off the ground. It really helps activate my knees and my thighs. And as you exhale, you start going forward into this by just pressing the back of the heels, lifting through the thighs. And then with the heart open, just start going to the front into a straight back. And then slowly, notice this transition. My tailbone is completely aware of the back, right? I'm feeling the stretch to the back of my leg. And then I'm going to stop to where I feel that my back is as flat as it can be, as a table. And here you can just let the arms just hang down, fingers to the floor. And this is your halfway lift. Knees are soft, so they're not completely locked. They are soft. My thighs are active. My hands are just weighing down this. You can here use a block, by the way, if you want to, and then really help yourself by lifting through the core, engaging through the core all the way up through the chest. And breathing. This is your halfway lift pose. And then from here, you can either take it into the next pose, usually forward bend, or slowly just take it up if you want to. So go ahead and bring the hands to the waist, helping yourself to remind you to tuck that pelvis under and lifting through the heart. And that is your halfway lift pose. While you're in this pose, notice the back of the legs are active. You need to throw your thighs in. The knees are active. I like to lift my toes, like I told you, so that you can feel all of that activation on the legs and not having all of that weight onto our lower spine. So we want to protect the lower spine by activating those glutes, the legs, and all of that. So let's try that one more time while we're here. Inhale, lift that spine. And as you exhale, bend at the waist, knees are soft. We're going forward with an open heart. I'm going to let my hands at this point to just weigh me down. See if I can touch the ground with my fingers while they are stretched out, but without compromising this in my ears, right? I want to keep my heart open, my chest straight. So if I need to bend my knees a little bit more to lower these fingers to the ground, you can go there. And this is your halfway lift. And then from here, we're going up. Moving slowly into this. Back of the legs are active. And that, my friends, is your halfway lift or Ardha Uttanasana. Great pose for transitioning and also for stretching the back of our legs. I hope you liked it. Practice it. We're going to incorporate this into our first flow of our beginner series, Yoga Flow. So thank you again. Remember to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.